stage thousands, probably lakhs of times now, and every time an MC has to introduce you, we do all these really long, flowery introductions. When you're sitting in your chair, what are you thinking?
I was just thinking about many things. Thinking about the voices who sang, and like how can I use them in my music? Nissa is already a part of my. She comes to my shows and.
You know, I feel like you're one of those musicians who probably everywhere you go in the world, you're stopped and you're like, please give me a tip for, how to make it as a musician. But if there's something that you've learned from these 2 seasons of talenting, of, nurturing all these young musicians, what is that one thing that you've learned from them?
Exactly. I'm in the show for that only. Because life evolves. What you know today might not be useful tomorrow. But I think these kids are evolving constantly. They know what the world is. And looking at them, I learn a lot. And also I think sometimes they need a kind of mature, I've lived my life 3-4 times. 3 cycles, 4 cycles. So whatever I can give, like Rajkumari is sitting here. She's an expert.
Where's Rajkumari? You want to see Rajkumari?
But she asks for advice and she never lets me talk.
I believe you also laugh the most when she's around. That's what she told me backstage.
Not the most, laughs a lot.
Laughs a lot. Laughs a lot.
Laugh a lot, yeah. The whole world is crying, let's laugh at this.
Well said, well said, well said. Thank you so much. And I think we're going to keep this musical night going, but before that, we're going to call some of your dealers who've done an outstanding job over the last year. So one by one, as I take your name, please come on stage. All right. First up, Mr. Mukesh from Sai Service. Could you please join us on stage? Please stay for your photo op. All right, next. Oh, so would you like your spouse to join you as well? Yeah, please, of course, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you, Parthos. Congratulations. Congratulations to you too. May I have Mr. Sameer from Shivam AutoZone join us next? Guys, तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए, please.
अभी हाथ दिखा के शूटिंग
Congratulations. Mr. Ajay from My Car, where are you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
correct.
I love that Raja, King and Arjuna bajawing the most talis out there. Love it. Love it. Yeah, love it, love it. And finally, Mr. Madhu from Excel Auto Vista. Where are you, sir?
जा बिंदास ले
Congratulations, guys. Talia.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Mr. Partho, Mr. Nobutaka, sir, may I please ask you to take the seats? Alright guys, now, once again you guys are in for a massive treat because we've got 3 great acts coming up.
came from the dark, call a collision the car. Running with King Kong, but it's raining down like thunder. Ready or not, she got the Glock, so put you under. You know it's game time on the front lines and it's over. Deep in the trenches, boy, like a soldier. It's a little lonely up here. Let's call the rest of the gang.
Okay, you know what I love about our next headliner? He's not just easy on the ears, he's so easy on the eyes. And he's very tall. He's 6'5", 6'4", not in finance.
No.
Not in finance. You guys
He's in music.
Okay, when he said, Baki Bate Pehle Baat, we said, okay, we'll wait. And when he said, Aaya na tu, we all said, why? But thankfully, वो आ गया है. Arjun Kanoko, please come on stage.
Yo, I'm going.
Woo! All right, and joining the party. Now, when he said, "Tu aake dekh le," हम देखने आ गए, and how? When he said, "Tu maan meri jaan," जाने मन, everyone said, हम मान गए. So much so that even India's official G2, Nick Jonas, had to join in for a collab. Everyone make some noise for King Arjun Raja. Let's get a photo up together, guys. Come on, guys, round of applause. Guys, गाना वाना हो गया, बातचीत हो गई?
ये भाई 1 मिनट के ऊपर मत ना.
Should we बातचीत, talking, chatting. Yeah, should we call on?
I have one.
Should we get this chairs?
I thought Raja couldn't speak for the first time.
Possible. Samba. I learned it.
I know you so well. I
Miss
mean,
Secret.
we hung out for the first time today. Yeah, but we never hung out. Little hangs, but not like a proper.
Have all three of you met each other for the first time today?
What?
Collab.
How
For
dare
the
you?
first time, my friend.
King, tell them how you know me. How dare she ask if this is the first
King,
time
how do
we
you know
met?
Raja?
Some season.
She was my judge. Yeah.
I was Mem Saab before.
She's still a memsa.
There's only one king.
Malkin.
May I also please ask Mr. A.R. Rahman to join us on stage, Mr. Partho Banerjee, Mr. Nobutaka Suzuki, and of course the QK leadership, Sagar, Juhi, where are you guys? Aja!
Jenny, should we give our spots? Where are we sitting? Wherever? We'll just wait.
Aja. Sir, please.
अरुण उस स्पीकर के पास माइक ले लेना. आगे दे. उधर है, तू लेके आ वापस. हाँ.
I'm coming.
आगे.
Give them the
Don't
time
try
to
to
take.
serenade me. I need people to be more creative. I just get the DMs. And then, my mom will be like, I want you to get married. And I'm like, Mom, open these DMs. There's 15 marriage proposals. You can choose one of these guys.
Give me a sample of what one of those DMs sounds like, okay?
Very, very inquisitive, huh? No, it's usually
Why do you think they hired me for this
no,
job?
it's usually just Kumari ma'am, marry me. And I'm like,
Oh. Marry me. How many girls get that in their DMs as well? Everybody.
some look.
Every woman on the internet. Arjun,
What's the question exactly?
you forgot, is it?
No, I want to know if it's been amended for me as a
Arjun,
person.
who hasn't serenaded you? That's what Juhi wants me to
I
ask.
see you guys don't know. I'm a very innocent boy. What are you talking
Take off your sunglasses. Take off
No,
your
I can't
sunglasses.
see without my sunglasses. No, I'm an innocent boy. Yeah, I'm married now. I'm family man. It's like we have two beautiful dogs and we.
For a second, I was like, is he making an announcement that we don't know about?
No, I mean, sure, but I mean, I think it comes with the territory, and you know, it's super sweet always. I think it must be so different for girls. For guys, it's like super sweet. It's like really, they'll make you a card and they'll write a note, and it's really nice.
They'll send you food.
Food, no, they didn't send you food. See, they sent you food. True love. They took my food once.
They took your food.
So I was at a restaurant, really interesting story. I was at a restaurant
Ah.
and a fan saw me from far and I left the restaurant. There was a piece of cake left on my table. She put it in her pocket. So nobody gave me food, but
It's black magic, you have to
But
watch.
listen, King piped in over there and said they give you food. So King, they send you food, kya?
Yeah, I mean, everybody knows that I'm a big foodie. So मैं जब भी किसी स्टेट पे जाता हूँ, they always come up with something अच्छा खाने के लिए, घर का खाने के लिए. So sometimes I have biryanis, sometimes I have jalebis and stuff.
That's how they serenade you.
Yeah, I mean that's the only thing.
उसके
Otherwise,
साथ कोई
I'm
love letter नहीं आता.
He writes the love letters.
he's also innocent
Look
boy.
at this man.
ऐसा तो नहीं होता है. Innocent boy.
Okay, but you know, guys, we're here also to talk about Next Up Music, and I know Juhi Sagar, you guys have questions as well for this esteemed panel. So please, if there's something you'd like to pipe in with, here's my mic. Mic is off. Mic is off.
Check.
Check.
Seasons are we doing after this, sir?
I got fun-filled evening actually, not a business talk.
Sir, pitch meeting भी यहीं पे कर लेते हैं, no problem. Sagar and Juhi have the deck also ready.
Let's start the PowerPoint presentation.
So let's not. I think she will very soon start with the presentation. So can I share? I think I was sitting next to Rahman Saab. So Juhi came and said, I have changed the new screen, how it is looking like and everything. So Rahman Saab said, yeah, it's looking good actually. So she is very much business-oriented lady actually. So I can make it out. See, Juhi, as long as Rahman Saab is there and he is taking this Nexa music to the next platform, we are together.
No pressure on you at all, sir. No pressure at all.
No pressure.
So I'm not putting any pressure actually.
You know, I need to tell all of you guys, the shortlisting and screening for the top 24 for the Hunt last season was a revelation, even to me. Actually, both seasons, the amount of time Sir spent. He was on the road in US. While he was traveling, because he was touring US, while he was on the road, he was actually getting on calls with us. He spent hours and days shortlisting, deciding. His biggest problem was that I can't say no to this person, and I mean that commitment is just next level. And
I think you'll have more trouble this time because
yes.
that had just English. Now we are
Yes,
talking about.
yes, sir.
You know,
So
every
your job
state
is
and-
harder.
You guys are diversifying this season, right? There's more languages being
yes,
included.
yes, that's the idea.
And the other thing to add is that most of the talent that, and this I'm correct, like whatever we've done, right? They actually get a chance to sing with Sir. Nisa actually tours with Sir, right? So most of them, after the season is done, you'll see them hanging out in Rahman Saab's studio. So that is really the achievement, if you ask me, that they are now all working musicians.
It's not just they come in, I've signed my contract, I'm done, tick mark done. It's a kind of emotional experience with them, and also Nisa has now sung in a movie with me on screen with Mohanlal.
Yes, Nisa, where are you? She doesn't even know we're talking about her.
Yeah.
I'm talking about you.
IPL. She was in the IPL and she was there. She was there with many concerts she's done. And the Rajkumari, of course, she doesn't need any introduction.
Assistant.
We know Raja, Arjun and King. What was your first interaction with Rahman sir like? Do you remember?
Yesterday.
No, come on. I know Raja knows him from before.
No, but I had my first conversation with Rahman Sir today. Like I met him in passing, hi, hello, but first time I think, and actually I feel like only I spoke to him, he can speak back to me.
I was listening to your song while coming. Asked Abhinanyu to win a song of yours.
Really, which was it? Where's it?
multiple songs.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody, for life. Wherever you are, I owe you forever. Like,
Rala, you remember your first meeting with Rahman sir?
Oh, I was gonna say the first time was the Rosa soundtrack, Telugu. You mean like how I met him in my life as a
First time?
human?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, everybody that knows me, I'm gonna say this, knows that I call him my musical father, and I call Lauryn Hill my musical mother. Not to age you in any way, but just that you were the first fusion artist that I really saw, like growing up in America, and you know the way that you would always blend in so many different sounds. Like if something was happening in America, you would find a way to bring it in to the music that you were producing, and that really helped me find my identity as a fusion artist. And actually, my parents, they didn't take my career seriously at all. Like I was literally signed to a publishing deal. I had got a Grammy nomination as a songwriter. The album had debuted top 10. Like I wrote a song for Fall Out Boy, but my parents literally wanted me to quit music until the day I showed them.
Become a doctor. Become a doctor.
Yeah, my parents are doctors, yes. And they wanted me to quit music until the day that I met A.R. Rahman and I showed them a picture. And from then on, they've definitely believed in me. But it was, I'll tell more of the story. I actually put a picture on my vision board because I believe in manifestation. I think a lot of people know about it, but it's a very powerful force because when I put your photo on my vision board with your 2 Oscars, you were the farthest away from me growing up in Los Angeles, just thinking one day if I'm in the room with A.R. Rahman, my life will change. And it did. It definitely did. And this morning I was kind of having this moment. I was listening through the playlist and kind of remembering how your music has been the soundtrack for my life. And I just had this recollection of myself as a child visiting India with my Discman, again, I'm aging myself, my little CD player, and listening to the Rangila soundtrack. And then today when I was driving, I was like,
Can I know?
no! I'm giving all of my sound bites now. You guys are pressed.
Guys,
reason-
never
the
in
reason-
100 years do I think that A.R. Rahman would tell someone else, can I talk?
No, what I wanted to say was like this generation has to bring credibility to music as a profession. No parent should ever say that music, oh, you do music but also study doctor, become an engineer. So I think all of you are the masters of music. So your success will bring music to a position where the parents can say, yeah, my son is doing music, my daughter is a singer. With pride, not with, oh, she's a singer, oh, then what else does she do for a living? No, this is crazy. This is not
Because honestly, that also must be the most hurtful question, right? As a musician, when you want to be a musician, until you're maybe, sitting on stage with A.R. Rahman, your parents are kind of going like, and what else do you want to do besides playing music on the side?
Exactly. That's the movie of 99 songs support that.
Yeah,
So-
correct.
And I think given from KM, that KM Conservatory, which we started in 2008, just for this thing. If you make something like a Juilliard, they're okay, cool, saying, oh, my daughter's a Juilliard. So we want to make KM like that, and all the kids who are coming out are working with everybody in the industry. That's an amazing moment for us.
Janice, I want to say something. We were shooting with King, and King had something very amazing to say about Rahman sir. आप बताओगे आप क्यों रहमान sir को इतना बड़ा दर्जा देते हो? वो मेरे पास फिल्म में भी है, मगर मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ.
We all want it. मुझे तो जवाब ही नहीं पता.
मैं आज सोच के आया था सबसे कम बोलूँगा.
क्यों?
मैं नर्वस हूँ थोड़ा. मतलब क्यों? मतलब ऑब्वियसली क्यों नहीं. सर के बारे में मैं जब भी कोई गाना सुनता हूँ किसी का भी, तो मैं हमेशा जब उसको गौर से सुनता हूँ तो ना वो डाइसेक्ट हो जाता है डिफरेंट चीज़ों में. स्नेयर्स अलग बज रही होती है, मतलब थोड़ी अजीब बात लगेगी थोड़ी सी, तो ये सारी चीज़ें डाइसेक्ट हो जाती हैं. और मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर मैं क्रिएटर बनूँ, अगर मैं इस चीज़ में अपना कुछ डालना चाहूँ तो वो क्या चेंज होगा, क्या एक ऐसा, मेरी नॉलेज के हिसाब से क्या एक ऐसा फ्लॉ है जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो रिप्लेस हो उसकी जगह कुछ और वहाँ पर लगे तो ये और अच्छा साउंड बेटर करेगा. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सर, एक भी जगह, एक भी वो साउंड, एक भी ड्यूरेशन पे मुझे नहीं मिला जो मुझे लगता हो कि ये चीज़ ऐसे होती तो और अच्छी होती. क्योंकि जब आप ऐसे म्यूजिक देख के और सीख के ऐसे बड़े होते हो, तो आप अंदर से ना थोड़े से चीज़ों को रेबेलियस होते हो, थोड़े से चीज़ों को लेके, क्योंकि आपको लॉज नहीं पता चीज़ों के।